We've got the Volkswagen Beetle 1978. Beautiful thing about this car is that the engine is behind. We're here with fuel to kickstart this car. Let's see the engine. And this is the couch. Dusty car, needed to be washed and cleaned. This car is quite unique compared to other cars. Wow, beautiful engine here. Wow. Whoop. All we're trying to do is start this car. And imagine a car way back as 1978. Still around here in Nigeria, Africa. The gear is good. Let's kickstart this beautiful car.
Start.
And now we could feel how it is. What a unique sound. Smooth engine. This is one of the oldest cars. It was popular back then in Nigeria. We still have a few surviving ones. That's double exhaust, still bringing out clean smoke. This is the Volkswagen Beetle. (1978). Beauty is not always on the looks, but how unique the car is.